One of the most recent settlements that I have been involved in was a motorcycle accident involving two young women. It resulted in a very significant settlement. It was settled on a confidentiality basis, so I'm really not at liberty to disclose the amount, but it was quite a significant settlement. This case had a number of challenges that we had to overcome, starting with liability. The driver of the automobile took the position that our clients had violated a traffic signal, and notwithstanding that she had made a left-hand turn, she took the position that she was not responsible for that accident. Through the use of a private investigator, we were able to obtain an independent witness, as well as some video footage from a nearby commercial establishment, which supported our witness statement, and quickly the insurance carrier for the automobile tendered their policy, which was quite significant. Once we had the third-party policy tendered, we then had to look to the underinsured motorist coverage of our client. Our client actually had four separate policies that potentially applied to this case. The first was a coverage on the motorcycle that she was operating. She was actually test driving a motorcycle that she was thinking about buying, and this motorcycle was registered in New Jersey. In New Jersey, when you claim underinsured motorist benefits, there's actually an offset against the third-party recovery. So as a result of that offset, we recovered nothing from the underinsured coverage on that particular motorcycle. However, our client had her own motorcycle that she owned, which was registered in Pennsylvania. We obtained the policy limits from that policy. Our client also had three automobiles which had underinsured motorist coverage, and she had something called stacking, which allowed us to recover the underinsured motorist benefits on all three of those vehicles. And the fourth policy in question was a policy which was held by our client's mother, who was a resident relative. And because she was a resident relative, that policy also applied, and we also collected the policy limit on that policy. We were very pleased with the settlement, number one, because we recovered every dollar available relative to insurance coverage. But more importantly, our client also had a very large health lien. The health lien was approaching $400,000 for the medical treatment required to recover from her injuries. When you have a health lien like that, the health insurance carrier is entitled to be repaid what they've put out of pocket for the health coverage. Through some pretty keen negotiation and the use of an independent negotiator, we were actually able to reduce that lien to $5,000, which was incredible. And the result of that was that we put almost an additional $350,000 into our client's pocket. We've been representing clients in motorcycle accidents for 35 years. We're very experienced with these types of cases, and we look forward to helping you if you need our help.